Alright guys, Facebook's having problems. We're going to give this a go. Let's see how it works. We're going to go live here, 8:08 p.m. Alright, let's go to the post. We'll type live. And we are live. 8:08 p.m. 8:08 p.m. Go up, grab a list. Hoping this works, guys. $60 spots. And we are looking for a top 6. Alright, drop it in. 60 entries, Dab on the bottom, Jacob Novak on top. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 10 times, top 6. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's 9 times. Dice was a 10. Next click, top 6. Good luck. And here we go. Jake, Joel, Jeffrey, Robert, Cesar, Wade. You guys are the winners. We are done. 8:09. Type done. We are done. 8:09. 8:09. Timestamp verification.